So there are two sizes of the stretchy banana clip. I'm going to show you guys a few styles you can do with the smaller one. I love the Hairzing stretchy banana clips because they use this pyramid calculation to have a broad, strong base to secure my hair in place and give me volume. So I'm going to show you two different half up, half down hairstyles with this smaller banana clip. You just naturally pull your hair half back. Take your stretchy banana clip, secure the metal teeth into one side, pull the elastic base around and secure the other side into your hair. Take the stretchy piece and secure it onto the loop, and there you go. A similar look is kind of with a messy bun. So you take your hair half up, twist it around into a bun, take the teeth, place those securely into your hair on either side, secure the stretchy piece, and so there you go, another cute half up, half down look from Hairzing.